The year is 2026, and day trading is more accessible than ever, but also more overwhelming for beginners. For every overnight success story, there are many who lose money by jumping in without a plan. The real path to financial independence in trading is built on discipline, education, and the right tools, not shortcuts. Today, technology gives everyday people access to powerful platforms once reserved for Wall Street. The challenge now is finding clear guidance and a manageable workflow, not just opportunity. In this video, we'll show how Akashx can help you bridge the gap between learning and trading, making the process simpler and more structured. Akashx isn't a brokerage, it's an educational platform and tool provider. You keep your money with your own broker. Akashx gives you resources to learn and trade smarter. The Akashx Academy offers video tutorials, articles, and live sessions with experienced traders. The goal: help you become an independent, confident trader. Akashx also provides trade signals, alerts based on algorithms and expert analysis. Each signal includes entry, stop loss, and take profit levels, making it easy to act. You pay a monthly fee for access to education and signals, flattening the learning curve. It's about learning by doing, with professional guidance and risk management built in. The standout feature of Akashx is Tap to Trade, designed for simplicity and efficiency. In a world where trading can often feel overwhelming, Akashx aims to make the process as straightforward as possible, even for beginners. Whenever a trade signal is generated, you instantly receive a notification packed with all the essential details, like the asset, direction, entry price, stop loss, and take profit levels. This means you never have to guess or scramble for information. Tap to Trade integrates seamlessly with your broker, allowing you to execute trades in just seconds with a few simple taps. No more switching between apps or copying and pasting numbers. Everything is streamlined for speed and accuracy. This not only reduces manual errors but also saves you valuable time, something that's absolutely crucial in fast-moving financial markets where every second counts. However, it's important to remember that Tap to Trade is a powerful tool, but it's not a substitute for your own understanding or judgment as a trader. Always take a moment to review the trade idea, double-check the details, and make sure it aligns with your personal trading strategy and risk tolerance. Use Tap to Trade as a convenience and a risk management aid, not as a magic wand that guarantees success. Smart trading always involves careful planning and discipline. The real value comes from combining this innovative tool with ongoing education and a commitment to learning. The more you know, the better you'll use the technology. So, always strive to learn the why behind every trade, not just the how. That's the key to long-term trading success. It combines structured education with easy trade execution, so you're not left guessing what to do next. The step-by-step lessons and practical examples help you build confidence as you go. The mobile app and Tap to Trade feature make acting on trade ideas fast and simple, letting you respond to opportunities wherever you are. This convenience is a big plus for busy people. The educational content encourages you to actually learn trading concepts, not just follow signals blindly. You're empowered to understand the why behind each trade, which is crucial for long-term success. On the downside, there's a monthly fee, which can be significant for those with small accounts or limited budgets. It's important to factor this cost into your trading plan. Reviews are mixed. Some users praise the platform's features and support, while others question the consistency of the trading signals or feel the results didn't meet their expectations. Most importantly, trading is risky. No platform, no matter how advanced, can guarantee profits or eliminate losses. There will always be ups and downs. Expect losing trades and even losing weeks. That's a normal part of the process. Learning to handle setbacks is just as important as celebrating wins. The real goal is to win more than you lose over time, gradually building your skills and account balance through patience and practice. Remember, it's not about winning every single trade, but about making smart decisions and managing risk. Akashx is a tool to help you on your trading journey, not a magic money machine. Approach it with realistic expectations, and use it as a resource to grow your knowledge and skills over time. Treat trading like a business. Plan, track, and always seek to improve. Akashx can provide tools and education, but discipline is up to you. Start with a demo account, Practice for months and track your results. Only trade live with money you can afford to lose, and never risk more than 1 to 2% per trade. Focus on learning and risk management, not quick profits. Akashx is an ally, but you're the one behind the wheel. Ask yourself, what habit can you start today to become a more disciplined trader tomorrow?